Hey there, fellow business owners and bookkeepers. Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of bank statements, invoices, and receipts? Feeling like you're constantly chasing your tail trying to keep your books up to date? You're not alone. Manual reconciliation can be a real time suck, taking you away from focusing on what truly matters, growing your business. So, the burning question is, can Xero automatically reconcile? The short answer is yes, but it's not entirely automatic. Xero offers some powerful tools to streamline the reconciliation process, making it much faster and more efficient than manual methods. But it still requires human oversight and intervention. Let's dive deeper into how Xero helps with reconciliation and explore the limitations. 1. Bank feeds. This is where the magic starts. Xero connects directly to your bank accounts, automatically importing transactions like deposits, withdrawals, and payments. You can categorize these transactions, assign them to relevant accounts like sales revenue, expenses, or customer payments, and even match them with corresponding invoices or bills. 2. Rules. Xero allows you to create rules that automatically categorize and code certain transactions. For example, you can create a rule that automatically categorizes all transactions from a specific vendor as office supplies. This saves you time by eliminating the need to manually categorize common transactions. 3. Matching engine. Xero's matching engine is a powerful tool that automatically matches bank transactions with corresponding invoices or bills. It considers factors like transaction amounts, dates, and descriptions to find potential matches. This significantly reduces the time spent manually searching for matching documents. 4. Reconcile screen. Xero provides a user-friendly reconciliation screen where you can review and approve the system's suggested matches. You can easily identify and resolve any discrepancies or unmatched transactions. The screen also provides a clear overview of your account's reconciliation status. Limitations of Xero's automation. While Xero offers significant automation, it's important to understand its limitations. Not 100% accurate. The system relies on algorithms and machine learning, which are not always perfect. Requires human review. You still need to carefully review and approve the system's suggestions. Complex transactions. Some transactions, such as those with multiple lines or unusual descriptions, may require manual intervention. Regular maintenance. Rules need to be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure accuracy. Tips for improving Xero's reconciliation accuracy. Clean data. Ensure your bank feeds are set up correctly and that your chart of accounts is well organized. Use descriptive names. Give your bank accounts, customers, and vendors descriptive names to help Xero accurately match transactions. Regularly review rules. Regularly review and update your rules to reflect changes in your business operations. Utilize bank statements. Regularly review your bank statements to identify and address any discrepancies. Beyond Xero's built-in tools. Third-party apps. Consider using third-party apps that integrate with Xero to further streamline reconciliation. AI-powered tools. Explore AI-powered tools that can help automate more complex reconciliation tasks. The bottom line, while Xero cannot fully automate reconciliation, it offers powerful tools that can significantly reduce the time and effort required. By leveraging these tools and following best practices, you can streamline your accounting processes and free up valuable time to focus on other aspects of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.